Best benefits of turmeric for the body and general health. Welcome to this video tutorial on the incredible benefits of turmeric for the body. Turmeric, also known as Curcuma longa, is a vibrant yellow spice commonly used in traditional Indian cuisine. Beyond its culinary uses, turmeric has been recognized for its numerous health benefits. In this video, we will explore the incredible ways in which turmeric can benefit your body. First and foremost, turmeric is a powerful anti-inflammatory agent. Its active compound, called curcumin, has been extensively studied for its potent anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation in the body is linked to various health conditions, including heart disease, cancer, and arthritis. By incorporating turmeric into your diet, you can help to combat inflammation and promote overall wellness. Another notable benefit of turmeric is its strong antioxidant properties. Curcumin acts as a scavenger for harmful free radicals, which can cause oxidative stress and damage cells in the body. By neutralizing these free radicals, turmeric can help to protect against chronic diseases and support healthy aging. Turmeric also supports brain health and cognitive function. Studies have shown that curcumin can cross the blood-brain barrier and has the potential to increase levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a growth hormone that promotes the growth and maintenance of brain cells. By doing so, turmeric may enhance memory, improve cognitive function, and even protect against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Additionally, turmeric has been found to have potential benefits for heart health. It can help to improve the lining of blood vessels, regulate blood pressure, and reduce the risk of blood clot formation. By promoting cardiovascular health, turmeric may lower the risk of heart disease and stroke. Turmeric is also known for its positive effects on digestion. It stimulates the production of bile, which aids in the breakdown and digestion of fats. Turmeric can also help to soothe the digestive system, alleviate bloating, and support overall gut health. Moreover, turmeric has shown promising anti-cancer properties. Curcumin has been studied for its ability to inhibit the growth of cancer cells and reduce the spread of tumors. While more research is needed, turmeric shows potential as a natural adjunct therapy in cancer treatment. So, how can you incorporate turmeric into your daily routine? One popular option is to make a golden milk latte. Simply combine turmeric powder with warm milk, or a dairy-free alternative, add a pinch of black pepper to enhance curcumin absorption, and sweeten with honey or maple syrup. This delicious and comforting drink is not only a great way to enjoy turmeric but also provides a soothing and nourishing experience. You can also sprinkle turmeric onto roasted vegetables, add it to soups and stews, or use it as a spice in various recipes. Just keep in mind that turmeric has a warm and slightly bitter taste, so it's best to start with small amounts and gradually increase based on your preference. However, it's important to note that curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, is not easily absorbed by the body on its own. To enhance absorption, you can consume turmeric with a source of fat, such as coconut oil or black pepper, or consider using turmeric supplements that contain piperine, a compound that improves curcumin absorption. In conclusion, turmeric is a remarkable spice with a wide array of benefits for the body. From its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties to its positive effects on brain health, digestion, heart health, and potential anti-cancer properties, turmeric offers a natural and holistic approach to improving overall well-being. So, why not spice up your life and start incorporating turmeric into your daily routine? Remember to consult with your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet or incorporating turmeric supplements, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications that may interact with turmeric. Incorporating turmeric into your diet is a great way to experience its benefits. However, it's worth noting that the curcumin content in turmeric is relatively low. To ensure you're getting a sufficient amount of curcumin, you might consider taking turmeric supplements that are standardized for curcumin content. These supplements often come in capsule or liquid form and provide a concentrated dose of curcumin. When selecting a turmeric supplement, look for one that contains black pepper extract, piperine, or is formulated with technologies like liposomal or micellar delivery systems. This help enhances the absorption and bioavailability of curcumin in the body, ensuring you get the maximum benefits. It's important to keep in mind that turmeric supplements should be used as a complement to a healthy diet and lifestyle, rather than a replacement. Maintaining a well-rounded diet, exercising regularly, and practicing other healthy habits are crucial for overall well-being. In summary, turmeric, with its active compound curcumin, offers a wide range of benefits for the body. From its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects to its potential positive impact on brain health, digestion, heart health, and even cancer prevention, turmeric is a powerful spice worth incorporating into your daily routine. Whether you enjoy it in your cooking or opt for turmeric supplements, harnessing the power of turmeric can contribute to your overall health and vitality. Certainly. Let's continue with more information on the benefits of turmeric for the body. In addition to the benefits we've already discussed, turmeric has also shown the potential in supporting joint health. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce joint pain, stiffness, and swelling associated with conditions like arthritis. Many individuals find relief by incorporating turmeric into their daily routines. Furthermore, turmeric has been linked to improved mood and mental well-being. Studies suggest that curcumin may have antidepressant effects by boosting serotonin and dopamine levels in the brain, which are neurotransmitters associated with happiness and mood regulation. Adding turmeric to your diet may help promote a positive mindset and overall mental wellness. Turmeric has even been explored for its potential benefits in managing diabetes. Research suggests that curcumin may help improve insulin sensitivity, regulate blood sugar levels, and reduce complications associated with diabetes. While more studies are needed, turmeric shows promise as a natural adjunct to diabetes management. When it comes to skincare, turmeric has been used for centuries for its beautifying properties. It can help improve skin complexion, reduce the appearance of acne, and provide a natural glow. You can create a homemade turmeric face mask by mixing turmeric powder with yogurt, honey, or coconut oil and applying it to your skin for a rejuvenating and nourishing treatment. Lastly, it's important to note that turmeric has a long history of traditional use in Ayurvedic and traditional Chinese medicine. It has been valued for its overall balancing and harmonizing effects on the body. While scientific research continues to uncover its potential benefits, turmeric has been trusted for generations as a natural remedy for various health concerns. As with any supplement or dietary change, it's essential to listen to your body and adjust accordingly. Some individuals may experience digestive discomfort or allergic reactions to turmeric. If you have gallbladder issues, are pregnant, or have a bleeding disorder, it's best to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating turmeric into your routine. In conclusion, turmeric is a remarkable spice with a multitude of benefits for the body. From its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties to its potential effects on brain health, joint health, mood, diabetes management, and skincare, turmeric offers a natural and holistic approach to well-being. Whether you choose to incorporate it into your cooking, enjoy a golden milk latte, or take turmeric supplements, harnessing the power of turmeric can contribute to a healthier and more vibrant life. Remember, always choose high-quality turmeric products and consult with your healthcare provider to ensure it aligns with your individual needs and goals.